Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Slack API tutorial. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the Slack API application settings area and point out the sections shown in the video, so you can follow along smoothly inside your own Slack app configuration page. Begin by opening the Slack API applications page for your app. This is the main dashboard where you can access configuration options, installation settings, permissions, and other tools related to your Slack integration. Once you're on that page, look for the Collaborators option and select it. This area is typically used to manage who can help work on the app, and it's a useful place to confirm access if multiple people are involved. From there, click on Socket Mode. This section is important if your app will communicate with Slack through a WebSocket connection rather than a public request URL. Even if you are just exploring the settings for now, it helps to know where this feature lives in the app menu. Next, click on Install App. This takes you into the app installation area, where Slack allows you to prepare the app for use within a workspace. After that, click on Manage Distribution. This section is where Slack provides options related to how the app can be shared or made available more broadly. Once you're there, click on Agents and AI Apps. This opens another configuration area tied to newer app capabilities and Slack's evolving platform features. After that, click on Incoming Webhooks. Incoming webhooks are commonly used when you want external systems to send messages into Slack channels, so this is one of the key settings many developers review early on. Next, click on OAuth and Permissions. In the video, this selection appears again shortly after, so if you see OAuth and Permissions a second time, click it again as shown. This section is especially important because it controls scopes, tokens, and the permissions your app will request when installed. If you're configuring an app for real use, this is one of the most critical places to review carefully. After that, click on User ID Translation. This section relates to how user identifiers are handled, which can be useful depending on the type of app or workflow you're building. Finally, click on Event Subscriptions. This is where you manage the events your Slack app can listen for, such as messages, mentions, or other workspace activity. It's an essential area if your app needs to respond automatically to activity inside Slack. That's the full navigation path shown in this tutorial. As you follow along, take your time in each section and make sure the page has fully loaded before moving to the next setting.